And handle, I meant. So here's your cup and handle. Here's your cup. And there's your handle. Everybody see it? So you can see where it keeps stopping and creating its own support off of this 348, 36. See it? So it just keeps touching here, touching here, touching here. Do you see that?
I do.
Yep. So if it breaks below that, typically it'll be lights out. And that means, of course, the next stops, right, are going to be around VWAP. So,
You bet.
yep. And if it stays to the upside, then it's going to be the same drill. So if it stays to the upside, we've got to break this level right here where we've got drawn 67, moving up to the 200, right back up again to 349.20. Okay. So this are the channels.